Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 1st April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 1st April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 2nd April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss the opportunities. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. As I've already mentioned in my other videos that from today onwards I'll be providing a much more detailed analysis so that you get to learn more, because I have already been through the comments and few messages, heartbreaking messages, because really I losing money, losing hard-earned money is very pathetic, because I also had to face the similar situation when I started my career in market. So I also used to make bad decisions because of which I had to face consequences. So therefore, I do not want you to face the similar consequences. Therefore, my videos will be much more boring and longer from today onwards. But please do not mind, because I'm making this for your own benefit. I want you to become a better trader. So that's it. So this is the chart of GBP USD. Okay, and as you can see, I have drawn two lines here. Okay, two lines here, and let me take you to the 1 week chart. Oh, sorry, weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, there is a support available at this level. Okay, 1.3796 level. I forgot to draw the line here. There is a support at this level, and you can see that previous week the market has respected the support level. Okay, and it gave closing just above the support level, and this week also you can see market has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern, okay, or a doji kind of a pattern, and this kind of pattern suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market either may go up and either may go down. And on the other hand, previous week market has respected the support. Okay, and if we consider the other weeks, okay, then also we can see that for the past 5 weeks market is respecting this support level. Okay, this support, you can see this level, market is respecting this support level. So this support level is very crucial for GBPUSD. Okay, and this is the overall picture of GBPUSD for year 2021. And as you can see, unlike Euro USD, market is not in downtrend. Okay, market was in consolidation till Feb. Market was in consolidation till February, and after that there was a big up move, and then market started falling from March. And right now we can see that there is not much movement, and market is standing at the support. Okay, almost near the support. Actually, see, this is the support zone for the market. Okay, or this was the support zone for the market till February. After that market went up. Okay, but this is still a valid support for the market. So yes, these things are not visible on the usual chart. That's why I told you that from today onwards my videos will be longer and boring, so please don't mind. Okay, anyways, these are the things, or these are the price levels that you should not be mess with. You should not mess with, because see, because of underlooking these things that our trades go wrong. Okay, suppose if you do not zoom out the chart and you simply short the market below this level. Okay, suppose you are not aware that this level has support. Okay, and you short the market somewhere around here, then obviously will be making loss if market reverses from here, because market may reverse from here, because market has support here. Okay, so that's why there are, you should know the crucial buy and sell points, buy support zones and resistance zone. Anyways, you have understood. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, now let's get back to our chart. So this level, okay, this level is very important as support. Okay, this level is very important as support, and this level is important because uh, we saw that this level was the resistance weekly time frame. Therefore, okay, I'll have to plug in the charger. So as of now, you can see that in here 50 moving average more or less acting as a resistance. That's why I have mentioned the 50 moving average. Okay, and as you can see, market is at the 50, standing at the 50 moving average right now. Okay, so wait for the market or wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, stochastic RSI is right now here. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to go up. Let me take the chart. Let me stretch the chart. Okay, so what should be a strategy? Okay, strategy can be wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. Okay, overbought zone. When it will be overbought, just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is about to bounce from here, oh sorry, stochastic RSI is about to come down, look at the position of the price. If you see that price is still lingering around in this range, okay, in this range, then you can short the market. But remember that this level has got support, so this is your target. Okay, this is your target level. But be very cautious if you short the market here. So wait for the market to go to the overbought zone right now. Okay. And in case market crosses this level also, then also you need to be very careful. I'll come down tomorrow again. Then I'll tell you what you need to do. Okay. But as of now, just wait for the stochastic RSI uh, to go to the overbought zone. So when it will be in overbought zone, just look at the position of the price, because uh, we should not mess with few levels. Okay, if it starts coming down from here, then you can short the market, and this will be your target. And when market will be here, okay, do not be too greedy. And if you see that market is about to bounce from here, okay, do not be too greedy and just exit from the trade, because market has got extreme support since January in this level. Okay, so this is the analysis and simple, not so simple actually. Strategy that you can follow for GBP USD. Yes, unlike other currency pairs, the things are quite complicated with GBP USD right now. Okay. Still, hopefully you have understood, and if you have found the video informative and useful, then please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See ya tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe.